Is there a possibility that life exists beyond our planet? Have we been visited by extraterrestrial beings? These questions have tickled the boundaries of human curiosity for centuries, igniting debates, inciting research, and inspiring countless works of science fiction. Yet the answers remain elusive, shrouded in layers of mystery and secrecy, thicker than the blackest corners of space. Enter a man named Ingo Swann. Not your typical scientist, but a reputed psychic who found himself intertwined with the secret machinations of government research. Swann wasn't exploring the cosmos with rockets or rovers, but with something far more intangible: his mind. Ingo Swann's story is not one of simple stargazing or theoretical physics. It's a story that veers into the realm of the extraordinary, the unproven, and for some, the unbelievable. Swann claimed to possess psychic abilities including the power of remote viewing. This is the practice of seeking impressions about distant or unseen targets using extrasensory perception, or ESP. His psychic prowess allegedly caught the attention of the CIA, leading to his involvement with the Stargate project, a government-sponsored investigation into psychic phenomena. And here's where things get really interesting. Swann was tasked with an extraordinary mission: to remote view the dark side of the moon. And what did he claim to see? Extraterrestrial structures, suggesting not only that aliens were real, but that they were actively constructing bases on the lunar surface. Swann's assertions sent shockwaves through certain circles, stirring intrigue, skepticism, and a fair share of controversy. So, let's look closer at this enigma of alien existence. Is it all just a wild flight of fantasy, or could there be kernels of truth hidden within the extraordinary claims of this unusual man? As we delve deeper into the story of Ingo Swann, we invite you to keep an open mind, to question, and to ponder. Ingo Swann, a man who claimed to have seen beyond the veil of secrecy, a man who claimed to have seen structures on the moon. Born with a unique gift, Ingo Swann set out on a journey that would challenge our understanding of reality. Ingo Swann was no ordinary child. From a young age, he displayed unusual abilities that set him apart from his peers. Swann was born with what many would call a sixth sense, a psychic ability that allowed him to perceive things beyond the realm of the ordinary. As he grew older, Swann's abilities did not wane but instead became more potent. He found himself able to influence the world around him in ways others couldn't. He conducted experiments, attempting to alter the growth of plants with his mind, and even claimed to be able to change the temperature of his surroundings using nothing but his thoughts. These early tests were not just games or idle curiosity. They were the first steps on a path that would lead Swann into uncharted territory. Word of Swann's abilities spread, and soon he found himself under the scrutiny of researchers. Scientific minds were intrigued by Swann's claims. Could he indeed manipulate the physical world with his thoughts? If so, what else might he be capable of? These questions laid the groundwork for Swann's involvement in projects that would push the boundaries of our understanding of reality. Swann's unique abilities caught the attention of the government, leading him to become a part of a secret project that would forever mark his place in history. His journey, however, was just beginning. From altering the growth of plants to peering into the far reaches of space, Swann was about to embark on a quest that would take him further than anyone could have imagined. This was just the beginning of a quest that would take Ingo Swann to the stars and beyond. Swann's journey from a child with extraordinary abilities to a man who would challenge our understanding of the cosmos is a tale of intrigue, mystery, and the unending quest for knowledge. As we delve deeper into his story, we find ourselves questioning our own understanding of reality and the boundaries of human potential. In the corridors of power, the government was intrigued by the potential of psychic phenomena. This intrigue led to the birth of the Stargate project, a clandestine operation that dived headlong into the mystifying depths of the mind and the universe beyond. The Stargate project was no ordinary research program. It was a government-sponsored investigation into the enigmatic realm of psychic phenomena, particularly extrasensory perception, or ESP. Initiated by the U.S. Central Intelligence Agency, the project aimed to explore the potential of ESP as a tool for intelligence gathering. In an era fraught with Cold War tensions and escalating technological rivalry, the idea of harnessing the human mind as a channel for obtaining crucial information was both enticing and groundbreaking. The project's most ambitious endeavor was the exploration of a phenomenon known as remote viewing. This is the purported ability to perceive places, events, or people from a great distance, transcending the limitations of time and space. It's like having a cosmic television in your mind, broadcasting images and sensations from anywhere in the universe. In the heart of this psychic odyssey was Ingo Swann, a man whose alleged psychic abilities had already caught the attention of researchers. His journey with the Stargate project marked a significant chapter in his life and perhaps in the annals of human understanding of the cosmos. Swann's mission was far from mundane. He was tasked with remote viewing the dark side of the moon, a region largely unexplored and shrouded in mystery. The objective was to discern what, if anything, lay hidden on the lunar surface, beyond the reach of conventional observation. According to Swann, his remote viewing sessions revealed stunning visions of the moon. He claimed to have seen extraterrestrial structures and entities, suggesting the presence of an alien base on the lunar surface. These revelations, if true, painted a startling picture of our celestial neighbor and its potential inhabitants. What Swann saw during those sessions was not just anomalous structures or strange entities, he saw a narrative that challenged our understanding of the universe. His visions suggested that we are not alone, that there are forces beyond our world, possibly far more advanced and perhaps even observing us. These claims, of course, were met with skepticism. Critics questioned the veracity of Swann's visions, citing the lack of physical evidence and the elusive nature of psychic phenomena. Yet, the intriguing implications of his assertions continued to captivate the minds of many, stirring debates and fueling speculations. Swann's involvement in the Stargate project and his alleged remote viewing of the moon represents a fascinating intersection of psychic phenomena, government secrecy, and extraterrestrial life. It's a narrative that pushes the boundaries of our knowledge and invites us to question what we think we know about the universe. What Swann saw during those sessions would shatter our perceptions of the moon, and indeed, of the universe itself. Whether we choose to believe his claims or dismiss them as mere fantasies, they serve as a reminder of the vast unknowns that persist and the mysteries that await us in the cosmos. Not everyone was ready to believe in Swann's extraordinary claims. Indeed, the revelations from his remote viewing sessions sent ripples of skepticism through the scientific community and the public. After all, the very idea of psychic phenomena is a tough pill to swallow for many, let alone the assertion that these abilities could be used to view distant celestial bodies and their alien inhabitants. The skepticism is understandable. Science is built on empirical evidence, on observation, experimentation, and replication. And yet the crux of Swann's claims lies in a realm that is largely inaccessible to these methods. Remote viewing as it stands is a deeply personal and subjective experience. It's not something that can be readily observed or measured in a laboratory setting. It doesn't lend itself to replication because it hinges on individual psychic abilities, which are, by their nature, unique and inconsistent. But here's the rub. Just because we can't measure something doesn't mean it doesn't exist. The history of science is filled with examples of phenomena that were once dismissed as fantasy or superstition, only to be later accepted as reality. Quantum physics, for instance, with its particles that can be in two places at once and influence each other instantaneously over vast distances, would have seemed like pure magic to scientists a few centuries ago. So, when we examine the skepticism surrounding Swann's revelations, we must ask ourselves, are we skeptical because his claims are truly far-fetched, or because they challenge our current understanding of the world? It's a subtle but crucial distinction. The first type of skepticism is healthy and necessary. It's what keeps us from falling for every fanciful claim that comes our way. But the second type can hold us back from making new discoveries and expanding our knowledge. This is where the Stargate project comes into play. The very fact that the government saw fit to invest time and resources into investigating psychic phenomena suggests that they believed there was something to it. They weren't just humoring Swann, they were taking his abilities seriously. And while this doesn't prove the veracity of his claims about alien bases on the moon, it does lend a certain weight to his assertions. The declassified documents related to the Stargate project also show that the government was interested in the potential applications of psychic phenomena. They weren't just looking for evidence of extraterrestrial life, they were exploring the limits of human consciousness and the boundaries of what we consider possible. So where does this leave us? In a state of uncertainty, to be sure, but also in a state of curiosity. Because while we may not be able to verify or debunk Swann's claims with our current scientific methods, the questions they raise are too intriguing to ignore. They push us to keep probing, to keep questioning, and to keep expanding our understanding of the universe. Yet the seriousness with which the government treated the Stargate project suggests that they believed there was something to these psychic phenomena. And maybe, just maybe, there's more to this world, and to ourselves, than meets the eye. If we take Swann's claims at face value, what does this mean for our understanding of the universe? This question teases at the edges of our imagination and challenges us to step beyond the known into the realm of the unexplored. If we accept the idea that there could be alien bases on the moon, it means we have to grapple with the reality of advanced extraterrestrial civilizations. It implies that these civilizations possess technologies and capabilities far beyond our current comprehension. It means that we are not alone in the universe, and we may not even be the most advanced species out there. Extraterrestrial civilizations constructing bases on the moon suggests a level of interest in Earth and humanity. But what could be their motives? Are they observing us, studying our evolution and progress? Or are we, perhaps, part of a larger cosmic plan that we're yet to comprehend? These are not easy questions to answer, yet they are worth pondering. The moon, our closest celestial neighbor, has always been a source of fascination. The thought of it harboring alien bases pushes our curiosity to new heights. It forces us to reassess our place in the grand cosmic scheme and confront the possibility that we might just be small players in a much larger game. This revelation, if true, also underscores the importance of continuing our exploration of space. It is a clarion call to invest in technologies that can take us to the farthest corners of the universe. If there are alien bases on the moon, what else might we discover in the vast expanses of the cosmos? Moreover, the existence of advanced extraterrestrial life implies that there are biological and technological possibilities that we haven't even imagined yet. It suggests that there are ways of organizing societies, harnessing energy, and understanding the universe that are entirely alien to us. This could open up new frontiers in science and technology, offering us a chance to leapfrog into a future we can barely conceive of now. Swann's claims also challenge us to rethink the nature of consciousness and perception. If remote viewing is indeed possible, it suggests that our minds are capable of transcending the physical constraints of time and space. This opens up a whole new arena of research into the untapped potential of the human mind. Of course, these are all big ifs. We must remember that Swann's claims remain unproven and controversial. However, they serve as a reminder of the vast unknowns that persist in our understanding of the universe. They force us to question, to explore, to seek. The implications of Swann's claims are profound and far-reaching. They push the boundaries of our understanding and force us to confront our place in the cosmos. They challenge our preconceptions and urge us to keep an open mind. They remind us that the universe is a vast, mysterious place, full of wonders and possibilities that we are only just beginning to glimpse. As we continue our journey into the cosmos, let's remember to keep our minds open to the extraordinary, the unexplained, the unknown. After all, it's in the exploration of the unknown that we truly discover ourselves. These revelations raise more questions than they answer and challenge us to confront the unknown. As we delve deeper into the cosmos, let's embrace these questions, these challenges. For it's in the pursuit of the unknown that we truly advance, that we truly grow. Ingo Swann left behind a legacy that continues to intrigue and mystify. A man of many facets, Ingo Swann was a psychic, an artist, and an author whose work has permeated the field of psychic research and extended its reach into the realm of extraterrestrial life. His book, Penetration, continues to ignite heated debates, stirring the minds of skeptics and believers alike. Swann's impact was not confined to his own work. He was an instrumental figure in the evolution of remote viewing protocols, paving the way for future psychics and researchers. His methods, refined during his involvement with the Stargate project, have been adopted and adapted by others, contributing to the continuing exploration of psychic phenomena. His legacy, however, extends beyond the realm of psychic research. Swann's claims about extraterrestrial bases on the moon have fueled ongoing debates about the existence of alien life. His assertions challenge the boundaries of our understanding, pushing us to question what we think we know about our place in the cosmos. Swann's life was a testament to the power of the human mind. His purported psychic abilities, his success in influencing physical phenomena, and his alleged remote viewing of the moon all point to extraordinary capabilities within ourselves that we are just beginning to understand. His work invites us to reconsider the limits of human consciousness, encouraging us to explore the untapped potential that lies within us all. What makes Swann's legacy so compelling is the fusion of the known and the unknown, the natural and the supernatural, the terrestrial and the extraterrestrial. His story straddles the line between science and mysticism, inviting us to question the nature of reality and the extent of our perception. Swann's legacy continues to resonate today. His work, shrouded in mystery and controversy, still captivates those who dare to venture into the unknown. His life serves as a reminder that the universe is filled with mysteries waiting to be unraveled, and that we, as humans, have the potential to peer beyond the veil of the known into the realm of the extraordinary. Swann's story is not just about the alleged alien bases on the moon or his psychic abilities. It's about the human capacity for curiosity, exploration, and discovery. It's about pushing the boundaries of our understanding, challenging our preconceptions, and daring to question the status quo. Ingo Swann was more than a psychic or a remote viewer. He was a pioneer, an explorer of the mind and the cosmos. He dared to look beyond the confines of our world, to probe the mysteries of the universe and the mysteries within ourselves. Through his work, Swann invites us to consider the vast unknowns of our universe and the potential for extraordinary capabilities within ourselves. The story of Ingo Swann and his claims of alien bases on the moon beckons us to the fringes of science and imagination. From the genesis of Swann's journey, born with purported psychic abilities, to his participation in the Stargate project, his life has been a testament to the exploration of the unknown. His psychic experiments, ranging from influencing plant growth to altering environmental temperatures, challenged the conventional understanding of reality. His most ambitious endeavor, remote viewing the dark side of the moon, took us on a journey beyond the known, into a realm of extraterrestrial structures and entities. Swann's revelations were met with skepticism and intrigue. The nature of remote viewing, relying on psychic abilities beyond the scope of current scientific understanding, makes it difficult to fully verify or debunk his claims. Yet, the declassification of documents related to the Stargate project highlights the seriousness with which these investigations were undertaken. This brings us to the question, what if Swann's claims hold a kernel of truth? If we consider Swann's assertions at face value, the implications are profound. The existence of alien bases on the moon suggests extraterrestrial civilizations with technology and intentions far beyond our comprehension. It prompts us to ponder about these entities, their interest in Earth, and our place in the grand scheme of the cosmos. Swann's legacy, woven with mystery and controversy, continues to fascinate us. His book, Penetration, and his involvement in psychic research have spurred debates about the limits of human consciousness and the possibility of life beyond Earth. He serves as a reminder of the vast unknowns that persist in our understanding of the universe and the potential for extraordinary capabilities within us. As we reflect on Swann's narrative, we come face to face with the challenges and possibilities it presents for our understanding of the universe. The story of Ingo Swann and his claims of alien bases on the moon invites us to consider the possibilities that lie beyond the known. While definitive proof remains elusive, it challenges us to maintain an open mind about the unknown facets of our universe and the potential for psychic phenomena to reveal secrets hidden from conventional observation. As we continue to explore the cosmos, let's remember Ingo Swann's journey. His story serves as a beacon, guiding us into the uncharted territories of the mind and the universe. It encourages us to keep probing, keep questioning, and keep challenging the boundaries of the known. The tale of Ingo Swann is a testament to the boundless human spirit of exploration and the pursuit of knowledge. It is a reminder that there are still many mysteries in the universe waiting to be uncovered. As we continue to explore the cosmos, may we keep an open mind and a sense of curiosity, for the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered.